Students of grade 4, how are you? Today is 6th April 2020 and we are doing unit number 9. Before this we have done lesson number 4 and now we are doing lesson number 5, mental subtraction 2 from your workbook, page number 90. Challenge 2. As we have done challenge 1 already, so we are doing challenge 2. What is the challenge 2? Yes, the challenge 2 is that what is the difference between these near multiples of 100? Okay, you can see on your book there are the question of difference. Part A, 702 minus 695, as these are the multiples of 100 and we have to subtract 795 from 702. Okay, now you will write it vertically like this: 702 and 695. As you can see, the place value of each number is written here. This is unit, tens and hundred. Place value of 2 and 5 is unit. The place value of 0 and 9 is tens. And the place value of 7 and 6 is hundred. You have to subtract 795 from 702. So you will write it vertically like this and you will put the sign of minus. Yes, you have to start from the unit and the unit number is 2. Okay, always start from the unit and here unit number is 2. 2 minus 5. Yes, you are thinking how it is possible 2 minus 5. So what you will do? We have to subtract 5 from 2. It is possible? No. Then don't worry. We will do it. How we will do it? I will tell you now. 2 minus 5 is not possible. So you will take carry from the other number. And the other number is tens number, which is 0. Yes, it is not possible to take carry from 0. So don't worry again. Then you will move to the next number. And the next number is hundreds. And its place value is 100 and it is 7. Yes, we will take carry from 7. We will cut 7 and take carry from 7 like this. And in the place of 7 we will write 6 because we are giving 1 from 7 to the 0. Then 0 will become 10. And in the place of 7 there will be 6 because from 7 we have given 1 to 0, so it will remain 6 here. And the 0 will become now 10 because we have taken carry from 7. Now from 10 we will give 1 to 2. Okay, like this. And in the place of 10 here will be 9 because we are giving 1 to the next number, which is 2. Now 2 will become 12 because we have taken one number from the 10. And in the place of 10 you will write 9. Okay, now you can subtract. It is possible now to subtract 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. And here 9 minus 9. Because it was 10 but we have given 1 from the 10, so it will remain 9 only. Then 9 minus 9, 0. Then move to the next number, which was 7 before. but we have taken carry from 7, so it will be now 6. 6 minus 6, it is equal to 0. 0, 0, 7. We have got this answer. Understand? So it means that 702 minus 695 is equal to 7. It was part A of challenge 2. Okay. Now part B. Same method we will use. Don't take tension. It is very easy. Now B part is 804 minus 798. Okay. First you will write it vertically and you will write the place value of each number like this: unit, tens, hundred, and under it you will write 804, then 798, then you will put the sign of subtraction. Now start. How you will do? You will start from unit. Okay, and the unit number is 4. 4 minus 8. It is not possible, yes. So what you will do? You will move to the next number. It is your friend. So you will take carry from your friend. It is 0, but 0 can't help you. So you will move to the other number. It is 8. Yes, the number 8 can help this. How it can help us? We will take carry from 8. Then in the place of 8, 7 will be left. And 8 will give carry to the 0. Then 0 will become 10. Okay. Now it is possible to take help from 10. Then 10 will give carry to 4. And in the place of 10, here will be 9 because 10 has given one number to 4. So in the place of 10, it will be left 9. And now 4 will become 14 because we have taken carry from 10. One number we have taken from 10. Then 4 will become 14. Now it is possible to subtract 8 from 14. So 14 minus 8, it is equal to 6. Now next number is 9 minus 9. It is equal to 0. And the next number is 7. 7 minus 7. It is equal to 0. So our answer is 6. 804 minus 798 is equal to 6. It is our answer. Then remaining part of this challenge you will do in your homework. Workbook page number 90. Challenge 1 we have done and challenge 2 you will do now in your homework.